Assalamu alaikum friends, my name is Muhammad Abbas and you're watching Learn English Grammar with Muhammad Abbas. I hope you guys are doing well and fine. Guys, if you like my videos, please subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon so that you will get my more new videos as soon as possible. Today our topic is preposition. I have been presenting or explaining preposition for 2 or 3 videos, right? But in this video I am going to explain another preposition which is for. So in this video I am going to explain for. Now what is for, how to use it, where to use it, where to use it and what is the usage of it, right? So इस वीडियो में explain करने वाला हूँ for. For क्या है, इसका क्या इस्तेमालात है, इसका क्या मतलब है, कहाँ इस्तेमाल करते हैं. Is this clear? See, for is a preposition. As we know, we can recognize from the title, right? Preposition. So we know that for is a preposition. According to the grammar, it is a preposition. Grammar के लिहाज से ये एक preposition है. Is this clear? Now it has two usage. It has two usage. इसके दो इस्तेमालात है. कौन से? So see, the first one. For plus period of time is used to say how long something continues. The first usage of for is for plus period of time. It means for plus duration of inaction, right? For plus period of time is used to say how long something happens or continues. How long something continues. What does it mean? It means that we are going to talk about the duration of an action. That how long that action continues, or how long was the duration. Is this clear? Duration of that inaction. पहली यूजेज क्या है? पहली यूजेज ये है कि हम जानना चाहते हैं कि एक एक्शन कितने टाइम के लिए जारी था. एक एक्शन कितने देर के लिए जारी था. Is this clear? So see the first example. We play cricket for 2 hours. We play cricket for 2 hours. Now what does this example mean? This example means that playing cricket was 2 hours, right? Playing cricket was 2 hours. It means the duration of playing cricket. The duration of playing cricket was 2 hours. What does it show to us? It shows that the duration of inaction. The duration of inaction. What is the action here with us? Play. Playing is inaction, right? So how long it was continue? How long it was continue? It was continue for 2 hours. It was continue for 2 hours. Here we came to know the duration of inaction. Is this clear? इस एग्जाम्पल का क्या मतलब है? We play cricket for 2 hours. इस एग्जाम्पल का मतलब ये है कि हम दो घंटों के लिए क्रिकेट खेलते हैं. हम 2 घंटों के लिए क्रिकेट खेलते हैं. तो हमें ड्यूरेशन बता रहा है. ड्यूरेशन कितने अरसे के लिए और कितने देर के लिए हम क्रिकेट खेलते हैं 2 hours, 2 घंटों के लिए. इज दिस क्लियर? हम ये बता रहे हैं फॉर. हम यहाँ पर फॉर ये बता रहे हैं कि क्रिकेट खेलना 2 घंटों के लिए जारी था. क्रिकेट खेलना 2 घंटों के लिए जारी था. इज दिस क्लियर गाइस? सी द सेकंड स्टेप. फॉर इज आल्सो used to a person or persons receiving a thing. Here it says that for is also used to a person or persons. One person or more than one persons. Is this clear? Receiving a thing. Whenever a person receives something from someone, then we use for. we use for. Is this clear? But before a person we use for. जब भी एक शख्स किसी चीज़ को हासिल करते हैं या रिसीव करते हैं किसी और से, तो फिर हम फॉर इस्तेमाल करते हैं। और फॉर हमें ये भी बता रहे हैं कि ये क्या हासिल कर रहा है या रिसीव कर रहा है। ठीक है, तो सीधे एग्जाम्पल, दिस इज अ गिफ्ट फॉर यू, this is a gift for you. Now you know we used for before a person, right? You is a person with us, right? It is a person with us. So this is a gift for you. It means that, you know, what does this example mean? This example means that he is, or you are receiving a gift, right? So we recognize from this that, you know, you are receiving something. What is that something? That something is gift. Is this clear? So this is a gift for you. We use for before a person, right? We use for before a person for showing that, you know, if a person receives something or receiving a gift. Is this clear? अब इस एग्जांपल की क्या मतलब है? इस एग्जांपल का ये मतलब है कि this is a gift for you. ये तोहफा आपके लिए है। आपने तोहफा रिसीव किया, हासिल किया, तो हम हासिल करने के लिए यहाँ पर फॉर लगाते हैं। जैसे कि आप लोगों को मैंने कहा कि जब भी एक शख्स किसी चीज़ को किसी और से रिसीव करता है या हासिल करता है, तो फिर हम फॉर यूज़ करते हैं। फॉर यूज़ कहाँ यूज़ करते हैं? इस पर्सन, शख्स से पहले इस्तेमाल करते हैं, शख्स से पहले यहाँ पर इस्तेमाल करते हैं। दिस इज़ अ गिफ्ट फॉर यू। हमें यह पता चला कि यह गिफ्ट किसके लिए है और किसको चाहिए कि ये रिसीव करे। ये गिफ्ट किसको चाहिए कि रिसीव करिए? फॉर यू, मतलब आपको चाहिए कि आप रिसीव करें या फिर आपने रिसीव किया। इज दिस क्लियर गाइज? सो इट वाज द एंड ऑफ वीडियो। नाउ I hope you guys understood very well. If you have any kind of question regarding this topic, then you can ask me in comment box. I will be there to answer your question. If you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, please do it right now and press the bell icon so that you will get my more new videos as soon as possible. Thank you.